In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save and share a presentation in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or a client presentation, knowing how to properly save and share your file ensures your work is secure and easy to collaborate on. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way so you can follow along without any confusion. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint. You can either create a new presentation or open an existing file that you've already been working on. Once your presentation is open and ready, the first thing you should always do is save your work. Saving your file protects you from losing progress in case your computer shuts down unexpectedly or the program closes. To save your presentation, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, where you'll see several options related to your document. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Save. If this is the first time you're saving the presentation, PowerPoint will ask you to choose a location. You can select this PC to save it directly to your computer, or choose OneDrive if you want to save it to the cloud. Saving to OneDrive is highly recommended if you plan to share the presentation with others because it makes collaboration much easier. After choosing your location, type a name for your presentation in the file name box, then click Save. Your presentation is now safely stored. Now that your file is saved, let's move on to sharing the presentation with others. Sharing allows other people to view or even edit your slides, depending on the permissions you choose. To share your presentation, click on the File tab again in the top left corner. This will bring you back to the Backstage view. From the menu on the left, click on Share. You'll now see different sharing options available. Select Share with People, then click on the Share with People button if prompted. If your file is not already saved to OneDrive, PowerPoint may ask you to upload it to the cloud first. Go ahead and confirm this because sharing works best when the file is stored online. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the presentation with. Type in their email carefully to avoid sending it to the wrong person. After entering the email address, you can choose whether they are allowed to edit the presentation or just view it. If you want them to make changes, keep the editing option enabled. If you only want them to see the slides, switch it to view-only mode. You can also add a short message if you'd like, such as explaining what the presentation is about or what kind of feedback you need. Once everything looks good, click Send or Share to complete the process. PowerPoint will now send an email invitation to the person you selected. They'll be able to open the presentation using the link provided, and if you gave editing permissions, you can even work on the presentation together in real time. And that's it. You now know how to properly save your presentation and how to share it with others in PowerPoint. It's a simple process, but it's essential for protecting your work and collaborating efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.